Hi everyone, time to do some phonics now, and you might have noticed that I'm not at home today, which is nice, but it does mean that I'm in a bit of a strange room. So you might not recognise this room, but I'm actually in Fox's, which is one of the Year 1 classrooms. So we're here to learn the last sound in Phase 3 from our read, writing, our phonics. And our last sound is a trigraph. And I think you're going to get it. I think you're going to get it. Okay? And our sound today is ear. Your turn. And tell your partner. My turn. Ear. And tell your partner. My turn. Ear, ear, ear. Your turn. And clap it. Ear, ear, ear. And nose it. Ear, ear, ear. Your turn. And tell your partner. Ear, ear, ear. Well done. And I'm going to show you our rhyme first. And like I said, I think you're going to get this one because, well, you'll see. And there it is. I'm going to bring it a little bit closer so you can see it. And there's a dog who's got his ears listening. And there's a little boy with his ears listening. And there's a bigger lady with her ear listening. And so our rhyme for this one is ear, ear, here with your ear. Ear, ear, here with your ear. Ear, ear, here with your ear. Tell your partner. My turn. Ear, ear, here with your ear. Your turn. And tell your partner. Fantastic. So pause the video and have a go with your partner, taking it in turns to practice the ear, ear, here of your ear. Okay? And if you're happy with how they're saying it, give them a thumbs up. If they're saying it, if they need a little bit of improvement, then you can do it kindly. So if they're doing it too bouncy, ear, ear, here with your ear. And that sounds more like an insect, doesn't it? Or if they're doing it too stretchy, ear, then you need to help them. Okay, off you go. Thank you for doing that. And now that we have practiced our sound, ear, ear, here with your ear, we need to look at it. And there it is. And I can't help but notice that it's not a digraph. So this is not a digraph, so it must be that's right, it's a trigraph. Because it has 1, 2, 3 letters, but they join together and they make one sound. So it is a trigraph. Our r, or our e, a and r. Okay? Ear, ear, here with your ear. Tell your partner. And now that we've looked at the sound, we now need to read some words. And I'm going to start off with this really, really easy peasy one. So you got one sound. My turn. Ear. Your turn. And tell your partner. Ear. Point to your ear. Point to your other ear. Point to your partner's ear. Brilliant. So now we've got 1, 2 sounds. We've got this one at the front here. So this is our yak. Ear. So my turn. Ear. Year. Your turn. This year it is 2020. Next year you will be in year 1. So ear. year. And this is another word that we've just practiced. So the end is the same, ear. The beginning is different. So remember, this is not a knobby, it's too tall, which means that it's a horse. So my turn, ear, here, your turn. Did you hear the rain yesterday? Or I can hear birds tweeting. Here. And the last one we're going to read for today, a very important one as well. My turn. Ear, dear, your turn. And tell your partner. Ear, deer. Not a deer like the animal, but this is the deer that we use when we're writing cards, like Christmas cards or birthday cards or invitations, and it means that you're writing to someone. So, dear grandma, thank you for my, or dear, would you like to come to my party? One more time, ear, dear. Thank you for helping me read those. And the last thing that we need to do today, that I need your help with, is to write some words. So we've practiced the sound, ear, 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 hear of your ear. We've looked at what the trigraph looks like. We've read some words. So now we need to have a go at writing some words. Okay? So the first one that I'd like to practice, I think it would be really, really helpful, is dear. Dear. Because then we can use it in our cards or use it to write a letter to one of our friends that we can then put on the Seesaw blog. So dear, and I'm going to clap this one out, okay, so my turn. Dear, your turn. And let's do it together, off we go. Ear, dear. So I need a sound button, and then I need a sound line, like that. Okay, so my first one, dinosaur. So remember, it's got to go backwards around the dinosaur's bottom, okay? So ready? Off we go. Back round the dinosaur's bottom, up to his head, and down to his tail. So and then ear. Now, I was a bit unsure about this, so ear. I'm going to use my sound card. So ear. And we've got to be careful with this because if we forget the letter at the end, then it becomes E cup of tea. If we miss out that A in the middle, then it becomes better letter. And if I forget the E, then it becomes, that's right, R start the car. So we've got to make sure we have all three letters. So ear, my E, A, R. Okay, so E, cut the egg, scoop it out. And then my A is one of my backwards letters again. So backwards round the apple and straight down the leaf. And then my R, straight down the robot, up and over his arm. Okay, off we go. Straight down the robot, up and over his arm. Dear. Okay, dear. Dear, I hope to see you soon. Or dear, I hope you're enjoying the sun when it comes back. Okay, dear. And we're going to do one more. And this one, we're going to do here, here, ha, ear, here. Drum it. Off you go. Ha, ear, here. So again, it's only got two sounds. So I need a sound button. Ha, ear, 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 hear with your ear. I can hear. It's very quiet at the moment. So here. So ha ha ha. Remember, I need to make it nice and tall, otherwise it looks like a knobby, doesn't it? So at the top, down the horse, up and over his back. Ha ha ear. And I'm going to remember again. There it is, my ear, ear, hear of your ear. And I need an a, r. Okay? E, a, r. And there we go. Thank you for helping me with my sounding out. So what I'd like you to do now, as a bit of an independent challenge, is you can go onto Phonics Play, and I'd like you to play Buried Treasure, which is a pirate game. And if you click on the phase 3 sounds, you can then select the ear sound, and it will give you some real words and some silly words to read, okay? Or, what I'd really like to see, and I'm sure some of your friends would as well, is why don't you have a go at writing a little letter to one of your friends that we can then put on the Seesaw blog for them to see. And maybe they'll write your letter back. So you can write, Dear, Dear, what have you done today? Or, Dear, I have done lots of cooking. What have you been doing? Thank you very much for your help today. Bye-bye.